Writing a newsletter for copywriters, I periodically get the proverbial, hey, I'll write copy for free just to get experience. And I'm not discouraging this, but there is a better way. Hi, I'm Justin Hitt with Ad Briefing's Copywriting Tips. If you want to start in copywriting, test your experience and start building a client base, there's an easy, surefire way that's available to any budding copywriter that can get you started today. First off, lead generation is perhaps the hardest part. And anybody who has a lead isn't going to use a untested copywriter to email that lead or to send a letter to that lead. They aren't going to pay for marketing with untested advertising to try to generate leads. Now, somebody who has a bunch of leads, they aren't going to take the risk with an unknown copywriter, even if it is just email, because again, there's a lot of rules, there's a lot of issues, and ultimately, every message must do its job. Now, of course, somebody who will bring on a budding copywriter and just give them a chance and they've got leads, maybe they don't care about their list so much, maybe they're not actually testing, they're not that valuable to you as a budding copywriter. A lot of this will write copy for free from budding copywriters is because the copywriter doesn't know how easy it is to get started building a client base. Now, I'm not saying you're going to do work for clients that you're not qualified to do, that you're not going to get the results for, but following this simple method that I'm going to share with you today can get you started immediately. And that method is to use affiliate programs, not just any affiliate program, but you're going to identify who you want as clients, and then you're going to identify who are their best customers, and then from the best customers, affiliate programs to start generating leads and start making offers. Now, here's what's important. Affiliate programs are commission-based sales programs. They very often have their own sales letters already. They have marketing examples and pieces, and you can simply rewrite those pieces to test. So you take the item they gave you and test it against what you've written. Since you're studying this audience, you can do lead generation. Any lead you create would be of value to the clients that you're targeting in the future. You can also study and research those clients to see their advertising, to see what works and what doesn't. And then it builds up your knowledge about what you can provide as a copywriter. So the first client you should be writing for free to get measurable results is yourself. And you do that through affiliate programs. Now, Amazon has affiliate programs. ClickBank has affiliate programs. I can walk you through the individual steps. In fact, I've done a program in the past for new copywriters who just want to start getting some cash flow together and start building up or even testing a market for a customer base. But the good thing about affiliate products is that affiliate programs tend to be direct response based, and they tend to already hire copywriters. Not that you're going to get hired by the affiliate manager, but you may get their attention if you're able to sell consistently and you're able to sell cleanly, and you can pick up an email series or a couple copywriting jobs there. But more importantly, because you're reaching in a testable way a target audience that your ideal clients also wants to reach, you're now approaching this other copywriter or this other product person who hires copywriters with a peer interaction. Hey, look, I've been selling these affiliate programs to this audience, and I know you want to reach the same audience. Would you be interested in a joint venture? Would you be interested in me writing copy for you? Here's what's worked for me. Here's what's worked in other cases. You're not a competitor as much as you're a cooperator. You can also show, based on spending your own dollars, what works and what doesn't work. Because most affiliate programs come with pretty high-end analytics tools, and the lead generation tools are really pretty much free. In fact, you can send emails out of an autoresponder or out of your email client to just get things tested. Now, I'm not talking about bulk email. I'm not talking about spamming people. I'm talking about doing some lead generation, sending folks to a website, capturing those leads, following up with some kind of system, whether it's your CRM system or your email client. A lot of email clients are like mini contact managers, or it's an autoresponder software. We can recommend tools that we've used in the past. But my point being is that for very little money, you can actually test what keywords are working, what offers are working, what elements of copy work best with a specific audience, and then actually back end an affiliate product to test what leads to conversion. Because you're going to see on the affiliate link someone else's sales letter, someone else's video sales letter, someone else's written sales letter. Somebody, you could even buy some of these products and get on the mailing list and see what they use to follow up. But again, modeling off of these things, you can test against them. You can test new concepts. You can generate the leads by itself. So for example, if you're interested in the international travel market and you know those customers are going to be business travelers, and business travelers are interested in the American Express credit card, business travelers are interested in certain types of travel products, you can start generating leads of these business travel customers as you're determining who hires copywriters to reach the same audience. And so American Express has an affiliate program through an affiliate platform. Amazon has affiliate related products. Now, you're not going to get rich doing this, but you are going to know what generates a lead, what produces a sale, and then what keeps those audiences interested as you build a mailing list up. Now, you could get a really good niche and you could do really well and get a 10,000 or 100,000 leads together. And then now you're a player in that marketplace. And when you approach a larger potential copywriting client, you're coming to the table with relevant credibility. You're coming to the table with relevant experience. You're coming to the table with actual A/B splits and test campaigns that you managed, and you present a much better value. So you could walk in the door with 0 clients ever. You've never done a copywriting assignment for somebody else, but you've done 10 or 15 test campaigns for yourself. You've spent a few $100s on pay-per-click. You've actually sent out postcards or letters, and you've built something, even if it only breaks even, that you can show this company that you can take it to the next level. If you want to serve financial services clients, you can do lead generation for a financial services newsletter. If you want to serve buyers of automobiles or sellers of automobiles, you lead gen buyers of automobiles and you offer them accessory products. And again, it is part of that customer research. Affiliate programs give you a practical way of testing your assumptions about a marketplace. You'll also be building up an audience and generating and producing some credibility to that audience. Now, it doesn't have to be you. You could have a character or a brand that is managing that list. So your name is John Doe. You could have Jane Doe, who is the credible expert to that list, and it's a fictional character, and it's a newsletter publication, and you're just building leads up in that audience, periodically offering them some kind of affiliate product. You can do surveys. You can lead generate into a survey so you can get to know an audience better. But the key is, the more you know about this audience, the more you know what gets them to become a lead, to raise their hand for more information, the more you understand the types of services they are buying, the easier it will be to then do a Dream 100 series where you direct market to. And again, you're your first copywriting client where you can direct market to these clients. You get a list together of 100 people selling to a specific audience. You've been generating leads in that specific audience. And now you can simply start looking at the marketing materials to those who also want that to reach that audience. And then you can start sending them letters and saying, hey, I also reach this audience and I'm a copywriter. And here's the results of the tests I've been producing. Here's the things that have been converting and the things that haven't been converting. Here's my observations of this audience. Here's some of the demographic changes that this audience is facing. And now you have something relevant to send to these prospective clients in the form of even just a one-page monthly newsletter that just says, hey, here's trends and tips that are happening in the community. And you might even interview some of these people and just start building up that interaction, that credibility in the marketplace, and that positioning that then gets you the copywriting assignments, gets you the consulting assignments, gets you the joint venture activities. And you may find out that there are some products that sell really well, and you may get on the radar of someone who has an affiliate program and end up writing for their program. But ultimately, you'll be making a little bit of money while generating leads, because that's the hard part. Generating leads is the hard part. And it's going to cost you money to generate leads. But again, if you're generating leads for the types of businesses you want to have clients, then you have something of value to hand over. In fact, you can even test some of your marketing assumptions by using, for example, headlines to get people into a survey. Then the results from the survey to write better context for the product you might offer, or to determine which product to offer. Affiliate programs can be a powerful way. It can be an extremely powerful way to test your skills as a copywriter without doing free work. A great way to test your skills as a copywriter without embarrassing yourself. I don't know if you realize, but if you wrote free newsletter articles for me and it just repelled my subscribers, or I read over them and felt like I've wasted time, there's no chance I'm ever going to hire you. And I do hire a lot of copywriters, but somebody who's bigger than me, somebody who's out there running a $1 million business, they're likely not going to take the chance on a free copywriter. They're just not going to do it. You would be better off advertising yourself as a highly paid copywriter or a paid copywriter to a specific niche, and having some kind of background experience so you can carry on a conversation with them. And I really believe that affiliate programs is going to be the way to do it. Now, I have generated leads and send referrals to high ticket companies. They didn't have an affiliate program. I literally generated leads in a local marketplace. I call up somebody and say, look, I got 25 leads who are interested in X, and you sell X, and I'd love to have you as a client for business development services. And I'll tell you what could we do together to help these 25 people get what they're looking for? You might produce 5 or 6 sales out of that. That customer's enamored with your ability to bring 25 prospects to the table. I did this in real estate, for example. Brought 25 prospects to the table. They sold 2 houses. They had me writing brochures for them. Okay, now I also went out and bird dogged for them and stuff and other things, because I had a unique way of getting through the data so that we could determine who was qualified and who was not. But ultimately, in today's modern world, 2020, it is going to be the use of affiliate programs. In 1989, it was the use of mail order programs. And 1990s, it was the use of real estate and the use of, there was a lot of mail order back then too. But again, all this leads up to, again, understanding a specific customer base. Number 2, that customer base is in demand of a certain client set, and then creating some kind of evidence or proof of your value, and then pitching it directly to the clients that you want. I'm Justin Hitt with Ad Briefing's Copywriting Tips. If you have any questions about what we cover here or anywhere else, visit www.adbriefings.co.uk. And we've been talking about the fastest, surefire way to get in the copywriting business, to get copywriting clients without writing stuff for free. There's so many risks associated with that. How can you get started today? Well, I just shared it. Listen to the program again. If you have any questions about leveraging affiliate programs as a means to get experience as a starting copywriter, or even to dig deeper into a marketplace as an existing copywriter, then visit www.adbriefings.co.uk.